Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Filecoin broke out a down channel, and after that, it broke out another descending triangle as well on the daily time frame chart. And after the breakout from the triangle, it broke out a very significant resistance zone that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after breaking out this resistance zone, price and rallied very well, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $8.12 that was previously breaking as a support here and resistance here, and again worked as a strong resistance and dropped down at this support zone that was previously breaking as a resistance zone from $44.60 to $5, and now after a successful retest, it is gearing up. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very, very massive breakout. Now we are switching to the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Litecoin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 5th of November. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that previously it was moving inside this down channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, and then we almost had another bounce, and this time the price then got rejected once again. And finally, after this rejection, the price then broke out the resistance, but still it was moving inside this descending triangle. And as soon as the price then broke out the resistance of the triangle, soon it also broke out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5. And then we had a powerful pump, but the price then got rejected by this resistance of $8.12. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that this $8.12 has been previously working as a support here, resistance here, and almost as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a very, very strong resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that even recently, this $8.12, this level has been breaking as a support here for several days or weeks, and here as a resistance. Therefore, again, you can see that it worked as a very, very strong resistance, and now we need to break it out. And now, after a successful retest of this support zone from $5 to $4.60, now the price and it's gearing up. And first, we need to break out this resistance of $6.36, and then the pricing can make another attempt to break out the next resistance of $8.12. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, then target is here at the top of the channel at approximately $11.40. And over there, we have a quite long-term resistance. Now we are switching to the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that this $11.40 has been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart, this breakout, and this target can be here at the top of this wedge. That will be somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.